Hello everyone, Mr. Sutherland here with Ellie, here to welcome you to eLearning for Advanced Pre-Calc. I wanted to make this video message so I could kind of talk about the expectations, what class is going to look like over the next, right now, minimum probably of 4 weeks based on the governor's new order that was set out today, and what you need to do to be successful during this time. First thing I want to make clear is, I know you guys didn't sign up to be e-learning students. I didn't sign up to be an e-learning teacher, and it's going to take an adjustment. What we can do here is not the same as what we can do in a classroom. So things are definitely going to change and be different, but we're going to try to make them the best that we can. I'm going to do the best I can. I hope you guys do the same, and try to make the best of this experience, and hopefully we get a chance to be back together at some point in the same room again before the end of the year. So a couple of things I wanted to kind of clarify, make sure you understand how it's going to work. So when we left class, we were still doing Chapter 5 with trig identities. That chapter is done at this point. We are just going to kind of start a new chapter on sequences and series. So most of the task when there's learning from to be involved will be me teaching video via video recording. So you'll see my screen. I encourage you to pause as you need to write things down. Sometimes I'll have things written down. Sometimes I'll have a note sheet typed up for you to print out or do in your notes, and that way I don't waste a lot of time writing stuff that needs to be there, and I can just spend most of the time explaining the math. But please pause the problems, try them, and use that to help you kind of do the homework. Ignore all the noises that you'll probably hear going around me as you're on these videos. Ellie back here can bark at anything that she sees outside the window. The two kids are probably yelling or fighting. You may hear any of that stuff. You'll hear my son Dane, who's over here now, is going to get annoyed. You'll hear him playing Xbox in the background, which consists of bro, dude, my guy, bro, who you got, bro. So if you hear any of that, just ignore it. Try to focus in on what I'm saying in my voice. But a lot of the instruction will be done that way, and then homework will be through my math lab, or I'll have you do worksheets and problems from the text. If I have you do those, what I ask is we'll upload images of those through Google Classroom, but images don't work that great if you do not have a app on your phone that turns images to PDFs, like a PDF scanner. App, that would be great to upload them as PDFs because they're easier for me to read and give you guys feedback on. At this time, I don't plan on having office hours every time we meet. I will probably offer office hours every other class, so you can drop by through Google Meet, ask questions, check in, just whatever we need to do through that time. So I won't do that here the first day, and I'll put that on the daily task sheet on Google Classroom when those will be offered. I'll usually give a 15 to 20 minute window. If you stop by, great. If not, it really is no big deal. So I hope you are all well. I hope your families are well. We're doing as good as we can over here, kind of being stuck in the house, ready for it to get warm outside so we can get outside a little more. Please do not hesitate to email me if you have questions, if you're struggling. We're going to try to make the best of this that we can, and I really do look forward to seeing you guys soon again. Take care and be well.